If you want to know how to permanently remove a game from your Steam library, not just uninstall it from your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the difference between uninstalling a game and removing it from your account, and I'll walk you through both the paid game method and the free-to-play or demo method. This is useful if you want to clean up your library, hide games you no longer want associated with your account, or permanently detach a license you don't need anymore. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and helpful software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, it's important to understand what we're actually doing here. When you uninstall a game, Steam only removes the game files from your computer. The game is still owned on your account and it will still show up in your library, but when you remove a game from your account, Steam detaches that license so the game no longer appears as owned. That's the permanent removal process most people are looking for. Let's start with the method for paid games because Steam handles those a little differently. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to remove and click it to open the game page. On the right-hand side, you should see a support option. Steam places the removal option inside support so you don't accidentally delete something you paid for. Click support and Steam will take you to a list of account-related issues for that game. From there, look for the option that says, I want to permanently remove this game from my account. This is the key option you need if you want the game completely detached from your Steam library. Once you select it, Steam may show you additional information or ask you to confirm your choice. Take a moment to read everything carefully because this action is permanent and cannot usually be undone easily. When you're sure, click the confirmation button that says, OK, remove the listed games from my account permanently. After that, Steam will process the request and remove the game from your account. The game should no longer appear as owned in your library. Now, if you're dealing with a free-to-play game or a demo, the process is even easier. Since there's no purchase to protect, Steam gives you a faster removal path. Go to your library and right-click the game you want to remove. In the menu that appears, hover over Manage, then click Remove from Account. Steam will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to proceed. Confirm the action, and the game will disappear from your library right away. This is the quickest method for free content, demos, and games you added without a paid license. If you're cleaning up your library, I recommend going through your games carefully before confirming anything, especially for paid titles. Once a game is permanently removed from your account, you may not be able to get it back the same way, so double-check the title first. Also remember that removing a game from your account is different from hiding it or uninstalling it. Hiding just keeps it out of view, and uninstalling only removes local files. Removing from account is the real permanent option, and that's it. You now know how to permanently remove a game from your Steam library using Steam support for paid games and the faster remove from account option for free-to-play games and demos. If this helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Steam tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.